In this video, we will see how we can auto hide the taskbar in Windows 11 computer. So what we do is we will go to the taskbar and then we will right click. We can find taskbar settings. We will click on that. It will open up the personalization taskbar settings window. And here we will scroll down and we can find taskbar behaviors. If you click on that, it will expand. And here we can find automatically hide the taskbar. At the same time, we can also find some other settings that we can do with the taskbar. For example, if you want these icons to appear in the left side, you can do that by selecting the left or center option in here. But here we are mainly focused about automatically hiding the taskbar. So we will check this option. And once I do that, the taskbar will hide automatically. Now we can close this settings window. Now what happens is the taskbar will be hidden automatically. But if you want the taskbar, all you have to do is you have to take the cursor to the location where taskbar is there. For example, my taskbar is in the bottom section. So if I take the cursor to the bottom, the taskbar will appear. So this is it guys for this video. This is how we can auto hide the taskbar in Windows 11 computer. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't, then hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.